You want well-defined databases. Your friends want well-defined databases, and your relatives want well-defined databases. Well, that's not exactly true. For the next few minutes, I'll talk about why anyone wants to use a database in the first place. What you all want are applications where the data is reliable. Think about looking up a phone number in your contacts list. Think about looking up a song on Spotify, or think about making a mobile order to your favorite coffee shop or restaurant. In each of those cases, you expect the data you pull back to be reliable. If you look up a song using a certain artist and title today, and you look up the same artist and title tomorrow, you expect to hear the same song. If you look up the phone number for your colleague today and you look up that colleague phone number tomorrow, you expect to get the same phone number. If you were the owner of a coffee shop and you made a change to your menu, you would expect every user of your iPhone app to get that same change. In short, we want data that is stored safely and retrieved consistently. Until today, you may not have thought about data independent of the applications that use it. A lot of our expectations are built around the applications that we use. Underlying all of those applications are the well-designed databases that support them. So, in order to meet our expectations of a well-performing application, we need well-defined databases. Specifically, what I mean by well-defined are databases where the data is stored safely and consistently.